Family get togethers are often incredibly rejuvenating. The pictures speak thousand words, they capture that sentiment. The wisdom of family gatherings, a precious reminder that our roots run deep, offering comfort and a sense of belonging and recharging the spirit. In the laughter and the shared stories of loved ones, we find not just joy, but profound restoration of perspective and emotional well being. These moments of connection away from daily demands serve as a vital anchor, grounding us in the unconditional love and support of our kith and kin. The unique blend of nostalgia and the new memories forged during the family get togethers act as a powerful balm for the soul, refreshing our outlook towards life. Ultimately, the rejuvenation found in family ties in its ability to remind us who we are, where we come from, and that we are deeply cherished.